Hello and welcome to YouTuber Academy Club. My name is Gordon Hurd, although many people know me as Big Man Tyrone on the internet and around the world. First of all, I want to personally congratulate you for joining this community. Now, being here, you've already done something many people will never do. You've decided to take your future into your own hands and seriously explore the opportunities that YouTube can offer. Now let me tell you something. YouTube is no longer just a video sharing platform. It is a platform that allows ordinary people like yourselves and me to build extraordinary things, build audiences, create influence, generate income, launch businesses, and completely transform their lives. I've spent more than 12 years learning, testing, succeeding, failing, adapting, and growing on YouTube. During that time, I've built successful channels, generated millions of views, worked with audiences and celebrities around the world, and discovered what actually works when it comes to starting, growing, and monetizing a YouTube channel. And that's exactly why I created YouTuber Academy Club. I wanted to create a place where aspiring creators could get practical guidance without the confusion, overwhelm, and misinformation that often surrounds YouTube growth. Inside this community, you'll have access to training, templates, resources, workshops, channel reviews, accountability, and support from fellow creators who are on the same journey. And I promise you, we are going to have a lot of fun while we do all this. Whether you're starting your first channel, struggling to get views, trying to reach your first 100 subscribers, working toward monetization, looking to create additional income streams, or just simply wanting to build a successful online presence, you have come to the right place. Now, I want to be very clear about something. This community is not for people looking for overnight success. It is not for people chasing unrealistic shortcuts, and it's not for people who aren't willing to put in the work. Success on YouTube comes from consistency, learning, improvement, and persistence. The good news is that you don't need millions of subscribers to start benefiting from YouTube. You don't need expensive equipment. You don't need to be famous like me. You simply need the right strategy, a willingness to learn, and the discipline to keep moving forward. That's why we are going to help you build here. As you work through training, participate in discussions, attend workshops, and apply what you learn, you begin to see progress. Small wins become big wins. Subscribers become community members. Views become opportunities, and opportunities become income. Most importantly, you'll discover that YouTube can become far more than just a hobby. It can become a powerful platform for sharing your message, building your brand, and creating a better future for yourself and your family. So here's what I'd like you to do next. Step 1, introduce yourself in the community. Tell us who you are, where you're from, and what kind of channel you'd like to build. Step 2, watch the Start Here training. Step 3, set your first YouTube goal. And step 4, commit to taking action, not tomorrow, not next week, today. Thank you again for joining the YouTuber Academy Club. I'm so excited to be part of your journey, and I look forward to celebrating your future success. Welcome aboard. Let's build your channel. Let's grow your audience. Let's monetize your knowledge, and let's create your YouTube success story. I'll see you inside.